Hey guys, Christian from Imperial Workshop, and today we're going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Vega Hilt. Let's get into it.
Okay, so taking the Vega apart is relatively easy. The first thing we're going to want to do is take the handle off of the hilt. We're then going to move to the two screws located behind the button, and we're going to unscrew both of them. Now that we got both screws out of the hilt, we're going to go ahead and push in on the power button. Make sure it's pushed in all the way, and then we're going to slide the hilt off of the core. To put the Vega hilt back together, we're going to grab the core and slide it back into the top of the hilt. Line up the power button and charge port. Once you do that, you can move to the back of the hilt and put the two screws back in. Please note that the smaller screw is on the bottom and the longer screw is on the top. Please also note when putting in the top screw to not over tighten it. If you over tighten it, it actually could damage the power button and charge port. So just tighten it enough to where the charge port and power button sit securely in the hilt. Last but not least, we're going to grab the handle and screw it back on.
Thanks for watching this video. If you need any further assistance or run into any complications, please reach out to the email linked in the video's description. See you in the next one.